Are you looking for the best 3D scanners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D scanners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality CRScan Ferret Pro 3D Scanner. The Creality 3D Scanner offers a user-friendly experience that makes capturing 3D images easy for everyone. With advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, you can enjoy hassle-free wireless scanning, even for detailed projects. The scanner provides high-precision results with its 24-bit full-color capabilities and features an anti-shake function, ensuring accurate scans even if your hands are unsteady. Additionally, it supports various output formats, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your needs and projects, making the entire scanning process more efficient and tailored to your preferences. What we like: user-friendly operation, wireless scanning capability, high-precision results, multiple output formats. Number 2. Einstar Handheld 3D Scanner. The Einstar 3D Scanner by Einstar is a high-quality handheld 3D scanner that can collect high-density point cloud data fast and easily with a point distance up to 0.1 mm, equipped with built-in detail enhancement technology and intelligent algorithm software. It optimizes the point cloud for complete data acquisition, while the data quality indicator guides the scanning and improves data quality. With a scanning speed of up to 14 FPS and the ability to capture clear scanning data and generate stable outputs outdoors, the Einstar 3D Scanner provides a smooth and fast scanning experience for users. It is perfect for 3D printing, designing, digital archiving, education, culture and art, VR and AR. The Einstar 3D Scanner is compatible with multiple data format outputs: OBJ, STL, PLY, ASC, 3MF, P3, and is widely used in various applications. What we like: high-quality data collection, detail-oriented enhancement technology, intelligent algorithm software, streamlined and fast scanning experience, stable outdoor scanning. Number 3. Creality CRScan Ferret Pro 3D Scanner. The Creality 3D Scanner is designed to make 3D scanning easy and efficient for users of all skill levels. With its anti-shake tracking feature, you can capture smooth scans even if your hands are unsteady, increasing your chances of success. The Wi-Fi 6 wireless bridge allows for faster data transfer, enhancing the efficiency of high-precision scanning. Thanks to its 24-bit full-color scanning, you can create vibrant, detailed 3D models that truly reflect the original colors. Plus, it's lightweight and user-friendly, making it simple to get started with just a click. What we like: anti-shake technology, fast data transmission, high-resolution color capture, user-friendly design. Number 4. Shining 3D Einstar VEGA Scanner. The Einstar VEGA Scanner is designed for versatile 3D scanning, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With its all-in-one design, you can easily take it anywhere, allowing you to scan and save data on the go. It features 2 scanning modes to accommodate various object sizes, ensuring detailed captures whether you're scanning small items or larger structures. Additionally, the wireless capability means you can scan without being tethered to a computer, giving you the freedom to work in any environment. This user-friendly device is ideal for beginners, offering one-click scanning for quick and efficient operation. What we like: compact and portable design, 2 scanning modes, wireless functionality, user-friendly for beginners. Number 5. Revopoint MIRACO Plus 3D Scanner. The Revopoint MIRACO Plus is a versatile 3D scanner designed to meet your scanning needs with precision and ease. Its integrated photogrammetric metrology captures intricate details on large objects, ensuring accuracy down to 0.02 mm. The high-precision calibration board enhances the accuracy of point cloud captures, making it ideal for various projects. With its advanced optical system, you can achieve stunning color scans and smooth surface details. Plus, the powerful hardware configuration allows you to process and transfer scans quickly, making your workflow efficient and hassle-free. What we like: high-resolution detail capture, versatile scanning capabilities, enhanced color and surface detail, fast processing and transfer.